Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable tests. It is an instance of the XUnit architecture for unit testing frameworks. JUnit, originally written by Eric Kama and Kent Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. What is test-driven development? You write the test cases even before you write your application code. First you write the test cases, then start writing your application code and try to get the green bar while executing the test cases, so that your confidence builds as you write your application code. What are the benefits you'll be getting? Unit testing belongs to test a single unit of code, which can be a single class for Java. So this is your application code. Say for example, class A has independent as some methods, public methods. You want to test these public methods. See, please remember, JUnit is only for testing a single unit of code, a single method independently, irrespective of whether it talks to other classes or not. If it is talking to the other classes, outside classes, we will mock it. We should try to mock it. The intention is only test. Say if this method, say method O, if it has 20 lines of code, just test those 20 lines of code. That's it. Okay, so you should write different combination, different scenarios in your test class to test this particular method, not other methods, not a combination of other methods. Only a single method has to be tested. That's the intention of JUnit test cases. JUnit helps us to code and test both during the development. You can code and as well as test. JUnit ensures that the modification in the code will not break your system without your knowledge. So any modification happen during the build, you can find out the issue because it's automatic and it's fast. JUnit helps to test legacy code automatically. You have written some code before 2 years and you want to continually test it, because if you want to test the legacy code manually, it takes a lot of effort and time. So let's automate it using JUnit test cases. I have written a sample code which is going to a method called calc, which is going to calculate the factorial, and there are a lot of combinations. If it is less than 0, greater than 12, I'm going to throw illegal argument exception. If it is 1, I'm going to handle it in a different way. If it is proper value, I'm going to calculate it and I'm going to return integer value. So I have written a test case for this factorial method. I have different combinations, 5 different combinations. So in order to cover this code coverage, so I'll be passing some parameters. It will cover these 3 lines of code. So like that I have written 5 combinations. So first one, if I pass 0, what will happen? If I pass 1, what will happen? If I pass proper values, what will happen? If I pass negative value, I am expecting an illegal argument exception, and if I pass more than 12, I am expecting illegal argument exception. So these are the 5 possible combinations, so that once I execute this, the confidence I have is more. It builds a lot, because I have checked all the combinations and it works properly. Okay, so let's run this, check how it works. So how do I run this? Go to your test class, okay, right click and say run as JUnit test case. So you can see the third tab. Yeah, so it has run and we have got the green bar. So 5 test cases executed successfully. That means all these combinations worked properly, and the moment you see the green bar, your confidence will be you will have more confidence in your code. Okay, I have tested everything properly, it will work. Okay, so this is about JUnit test cases. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.